So the helicopter's coming down. I can hear it. Roll my window down. We were passing around, but this guy blocked us up, won't let us go on the right hand side. But look. Oh, this must be airlift. Somebody got screwed up. We blocked everything out. On I-40. They won't look over here because they're blocking us up. They don't want us pissed off looking at them. I thought they were looking for somebody. Had that spotlight out. Maybe somebody got out of the car and went running. That sheriff guy can only stand up for 10 minutes at a time. You got to sit down every 5 minutes, it looks like. Maybe he's going to finally leave and let us go. It's real douchey how you pulled in front of that guy. So I got to sit here and wait. Call the guy he might come down further down, but this is kind of... This had just happened. If I knew about it earlier, I would have went around it earlier. Can't see the helicopter. It's over there though. All right, take care.